so you know, they hit me.
Okay, well, before, sorry, say that again?
They hit me.
Okay.
I didn't hit anyone.
Well, because it is a crime to leave a scene of an accident.
Even if they hit me?
Yes, regardless, doesn't matter.
On the 17th of May, 2025, in El Paso, Texas, officers arrested a woman at her workplace for leaving the scene of a traffic accident. She said the other driver hit her. The officer said it didn't matter. That exchange is the legal education centerpiece of this video.
Oh, no, you're good. Thank you. Okay, all right.
Just so you know, they hit me.
Okay, well, before, sorry, say that again?
They hit me.
Okay.
I didn't hit anyone.
Well, let's start from the beginning. Kind of, I think your mom just called you, let you know. Or did she not talk to you? We were just over at the house. I didn't know if your
Well,
mom...
they hit my car. You can tell from the zero damage on his, the totally horrible damage on mine.
Okay.
I stopped because I saw them coming, and he just kept going.
Okay. Well, again, we just came from your...
Can we go over here?
Yeah, absolutely. We just came from your residence over here. I'm speaking to mom and dad. That's why I didn't know if they just called you or not. But the reason I'm here, I'm just...
The guy's so weird. Like, he's just been standing there for an hour waiting here.
Is
I was looking at him because I was like, is that the guy? But he wouldn't say anything to me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm not
looking at him.
Yeah, I'm not sure who that is. If we can just stand here for me.
Him?
So
Is that not him?
no, I don't believe so. But okay, but the reason I'm here is regarding the...
Sorry, we're on.
All right, well, let's go around this corner then, right around this side here. How about on this, right around this corner? Is that okay? Or would you rather right here? It's up to you. Okay. So I'm investigating a hit and run accident. After hearing what another party
Is
came
that
in.
car even damaged?
Yes, there was
'Cause mine
some
is,
damage
like,
on the other vehicle.
Really bad. And the only reason I left was because I had to go to work.
Okay.
They hit me.
Okay.
I was only on break.
That's what I was going to, again, I just wanted to speak with you, kind of give you a chance to tell me what happened. So you were driving, you were on your break driving?
I was just bringing my car here because I had to go somewhere after work.
Okay. So,
and literally on the way here, they just...
okay. So
And
you
I
were...
didn't see them coming, and so I stopped. I was hitting the brakes, and I had stopped, and then they just kept going anyway.
Okay, where was this at? Was it...
And I stood there, and I parked over, and I waited, and no one ever pulled over. No one ever came to me. And I didn't want to call the police until after my shift.
Do you remember where it happened?
It was by the Food for Less.
Food for Less?
Okay.
On that part of the street.
Right over here at
122nd
Pulaski?
From where I park, and then I was turning to go here.
Okay, you were making a left on the Pulaski from 122nd? Okay. Yeah, the main issue we have is that the fact that you ended up leaving following the accident.
I was going to report after work. I couldn't afford to just leave work.
Okay. So I understand that. So the reason you ended up leaving was because you wanted to just get to work. But we do have to address that now because it is a crime to leave a scene of an accident.
Even if they hit me?
Yes. Regardless, doesn't matter. I could document that in my report that you said that they hit you. He was saying vice versa. But I can at least document that in there.
That's funny because the front of my car is messed up, which means I didn't... It's like, it's the side. If I was hit someone, it would have just been the complete front, but it was the side. Do you need a pic?
Okay. No, I actually saw your car over here. I took a picture of your car already. Sorry, what was that?
My mom moved it for me.
Okay.
I was still shaken up, I couldn't move it, so it was just in the middle of the street for an hour.
Okay.
Where'd your mom move it from?
Well, after the accident, I didn't go far. That's why I don't get why they would think I was hitting and running. I was literally right there, and I waited for 20 minutes, looking around. No one ever came up to me. No one ever said, and I was looking for dented cars, anything, and there was nothing.
Okay.
And I guess I know I should have called, but I just thought I could wait till after work, because I knew if I called, I'd have to leave, and I'd potentially get in trouble from work.
Do you have insurance on your vehicle?
I have liability.
Okay, so you do have insurance in there?
Do they have liability?
That I believe so. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
So do we both get our cars fixed?
Well, so we're gonna address. Are you about to get off work right now?
At 3.
At 3 o'clock?
So 8 minutes.
Okay. I'm going to hang out here until you're off your shift, and then we're going to have to go to the station and address the hit and run issue, okay? So if you want, or is anyone else here that can kind of take over for you until shift ends? Or do you normally stay after? Or you leave right at 3 o'clock?
So who's your replacement? Who's going to replace you?
What do you mean?
That was 3 o'clock. Who replaces you?
Nita?
Okay, what time does she show up?
3?
She shows up exactly at 3 o'clock, or does she come a little bit earlier?
At 3?
Okay, exactly at 3 o'clock? Of course she drive. You know?
I'm not sure, but there's someone else in there. I could go, but am I being arrested?
Okay. Yes, you are going to be arrested.
I'm going to jail?
We're going to bring you there, process you. You'll be issued a citation and a court date for this.
So I have to spend the night in jail?
No. We'll only be there about 45 minutes to an hour, and then you'll be released.
So it's just a court? I've done court before.
Yes, you will have to go to court. But for right now, if you could just turn around, put your hands behind your back for
I
me.
can't do that here. I'm on camera at work.
Okay, now I understand that,
Can I
but
just get in the vehicle willingly?
we have to do what we do. We'll pull a car around and put you in
Please
it,
don't
but
do this at my job.
we're going to move a car around here, and we'll put you in the car back here, okay?
Right here.
I understand, but we got to do what we got to do. Just please, just turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back.
I can't.
We'll address that with them. We'll address that with them.
I can't.
Ma'am,
My stuff
please
is
stop
inside.
resisting. Just turn around.
I can't. Why are you doing this at my job?
All right, just turn around
Are you
for
really
me and
gonna
put your
walk
other
me
leg.
in front
No,
of
we'll pull a car around and help
We're
you
gonna-
out. Turn around. Turn your wrist up.
How does this fucker hit me and I'm in trouble?
You don't have to
All
see in a plane minute. Don't ask
But
me
they
any more
left the
questions
scene
over
too.
It's all right? I'll pull my car around.
So I'm going to jail for the night.
Not for the night. We're just processing you. We're gonna take your pictures, take your fingerprints, and then we're gonna leave, or you'll be able to leave from there.
The male Arabic possibly wearing a white t-shirt and blue jeans.
Where was this person when I was looking for that?
Central 702. Can you mark one female 95?
Was I supposed to find this person? What was I supposed to do? I've never been in an accident like this.
Yeah, I would, like you thought you should have done, just stop and call us. That would have been the right thing to do. But
Can I please get in?
do you have any weapons or anything like that on you? What's this fogger here? It's like a OC spray?
Yes, I almost got jumped at work. It's self-defense.
Okay. All right. Any other like knives or anything like that on you? Okay. All right. Just a second. I just have to do a limited pat down on you. Make sure there's no weapons or anything like that. So you got your phone in your back pocket? What's this here?
Chapstick.
Just chapstick? Okay.
I have a weed vape in there.
Nothing else. And this, are these
Headphones. Because they hit me,
Man, we need you back up though.
but they're arresting me. Jail, mom.
We're just taking her to Alyssa, please. We just got to fingerprint her and take her photos. And then she'll be released. So it'll be about 45 minutes and then she'll be... Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Falling out of my ears.
I could grab them for Oh. Sorry. All right, you want to grab that? It's kind of laying on her chest. I don't know. In her other ear. It's in her ear now.
Please go. Can you just go tell?
I'm just on the road outside.
Where did I go?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Can I what?
She's not going to stay with us. She's going to get out and about now.
Central 312, you can clear me to 105. There's a Uber waiting on a passenger.
I know. We had to do what we had to do. Would you guys, would one of you guys, because she said she does have insurance on her, would one of you guys be able to bring that up to the... Okay, that's even better. Yes. It's a Class A misdemeanor. So, correct. Correct. So she'll have a court date, it'll be in July. I was going to go in there and let her know.
You got 3 minutes left, so.
I'm going to let them know that I'm not going to give them details. I'm just going to say we had to address an issue with Alyssa.
I don't want her to lose her job.
I understand. I don't want that either. We're not. Yeah. Absolutely.
Police station, you know?
We're not trying to make matters any worse. Yes. I agree, sir. All right, thank you.
You're good?
Yeah, I'll meet you at the station. I'm going to let them.
Call your victim too, let him know.
Yeah, throw that in there.
Does he need to sign? Or you want him to
No,
sign?
he doesn't need to. It's just a why. I'm gonna go inside though. Just let her know she'll
Yeah. All right, gotcha.
address something with her, and then I'll meet you at the station.
Okay.
Under Terry v. Ohio and Illinois v. Gates, 462 U.S. 2131983, officers had specific, articulable suspicion before first contact. The other party's account, prior investigation at her residence, damage on both vehicles, and her admission she left the scene. Probable cause was established before the first question was asked. Texas Transportation Code, Section 550.021, imposes a fault-neutral duty to remain on any operator involved, regardless of who caused the collision. The officer's statement, "It is a crime to leave the scene, even if they hit me, regardless, doesn't matter," is legally precise. This reflects one of the most widely misunderstood rules in American traffic law. The duty to remain is not a duty imposed only on the at-fault driver. The fault-neutral rule separates two questions: who must remain and who caused the accident. The duty exists so that identification is exchanged, insurance documented, and injury assessed. Purposes defeated equally by either driver's departure, regardless of who caused the collision. But they left the scene too is legally significant. If the other party departed without exchanging information, that party may have independently committed the same offense. Violations of Section 550.021 are individual. Her departure is not excused by the others. Dual departure is relevant to her civil insurance claim, and sentencing context not a defense to her own charge. "I can't do that here, I'm on camera at work," is not a recognized defense to a lawful arrest. Workplace camera visibility does not create a right to resist. Moving the patrol car around the building was not legally required. It reflects professional discretion exceeding the constitutional minimum. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001, a custodial arrest for a Class A misdemeanor is constitutionally permissible. Texas, Section 550.021, hit and run with injury, up to 1 year and $4,000. Offering to wait 8 minutes for shift end reflects accommodation above what Atwater requires. Under United States v. Robinson, 414 U.S. 2181973, the search incident to the hit-and-run arrest authorized the pat-down that produced the OC spray and the weed vape. In Texas, THC vapes remain illegal. The weed vape creates potential charge exposure. Under Texas Health and Safety Code, Section 481.125, officers receive an A-. Precise Section 550.021 explanation: shift end accommodation, workplace accommodation, minimal employer disclosure, Robinson's search correctly authorized, and honest processing timeline are strengths. Dual departure not addressed on camera prevents a higher grade. The subject receives a C+. She violated a clearly established legal obligation. Her account is coherent. She waited 20 minutes, found nothing, and intended to report after work. But intent to report later does not satisfy the immediate duty to remain. Full cooperation after the initial handcuffing concern, and the plausibility of her account are mitigating factors. 3 takeaways. First, The duty to remain is fault neutral. Even if they hit you is not an exception. It confirms the rule applies to every operator involved. Leaving the scene is a separate criminal act from causing the accident. The law treats them entirely independently. Second, if both drivers leave, both may have committed the same offense. But they left too does not create a defense, it creates a second investigation. Officers who document that both parties departed are building the complete evidentiary record for both potential prosecutions under Section 550.021. Third, a search incident to arrest is categorically authorized. Under United States v. Robinson, regardless of the offense, a hit-and-run arrest authorizes the same pat-down as any custodial arrest. What is found is constitutionally obtained and admissible for any charge it supports. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.